We stayed in a very cheap hotel, sort of cabin on the beach. And at night, there was nothing to do apart from there was a set of dominoes in the room. So we sat outside and played dominoes. And every night, our friend beat me and beat Chris. And then he did a little victory dance, which was actually quite annoying. And we called it domino dancing. When we fought, I was to blame. But now I know you play a different game. I watch you dance with danger, still wanting more. And another number to the sky. When you look around, you wonder, do you play to win? Or are you just a bad loser?